Before buying solar lamp post lights, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many of these lights might look good, but their performance can vary widely. You want to make sure you're getting the right balance of features and durability. Product number 1: Dynamic Flickering Flame Lights. First up, we have the Dynamic 8-pack Solar Post Cap Lights. Priced at $49.99, these lights caught my attention with their unique flickering flame design. If you want to add a charming, decorative touch to your outdoor space, this is worth a serious look. What really sets these apart is the 72 high brightness SMD LEDs that create a realistic flame effect. This means you can enjoy the ambience of a cozy fire without the risks associated with real flames. Plus, they're solar-powered, charging up during the day and lighting up your garden, deck, or patio at night. They're designed for easy installation on various post sizes, so there's no hassle there. Now, some people complained about them not being bright enough for large areas. Here's the thing though, they're designed more for ambience than for bright lighting. If you're looking for something to light up a large space, you might want to look elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you want decorative lighting that adds warmth and charm. Skip this one if you need intense brightness for security purposes. Overall, they're a great value for their charming aesthetic. Product number 2: Greluna Cool White Solar Post Light. Next, let's talk about the Greluna Solar Post Light. With a price tag of $33.99, this one stands out due to its modern design and cool white light. If you're looking for a stylish and functional option, this is definitely worthy of your attention. This lamp features a brightness of 60 lumens, which provides a gentle yet effective light for your garden or porch. The durable build, including a high-quality powder coating, means it's resistant to rust and harsh weather conditions. Plus, it comes with 2 mounting bases, making installation super easy. You won't have to worry about complicated wiring either. However, some users mention that the brightness level may not be sufficient for larger areas. But if you're mainly looking to create a calming atmosphere rather than floodlight a space, this won't be an issue for you. This is perfect for you if you enjoy a modern aesthetic and want hassle-free installation. Skip this if you need something really bright for security reasons. It's a solid choice for the price. Product number 3: Greluna Warm White Solar Post Light. Now here's another offering from Greluna, but this time with a warm white light, also priced at $33.99. If you prefer a softer glow for your outdoor ambience, this one's worth checking out. Like its cool white counterpart, this lamp also delivers 60 lumens of brightness and is built to withstand the elements with an IP65 waterproof rating. It's easy to install with the included bases, so you can get it set up in no time. Yet again, some reviewers pointed out that the brightness might not be enough for large areas. But honestly, if you're just looking to enhance your outdoor decor rather than illuminate a wide space, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking to create a warm, inviting space in your garden or yard. Skip this if you need high-intensity lighting for safety. It's a good value for the quality and aesthetic. Product number 4: PASAMIC Outdoor Solar Post Lights. Next, we have the PASAMIC Outdoor Solar Post Lights, priced at $39.99 for a 2-pack. These lights are ideal if you want something that combines style with functionality. Standing at 63 inches tall, they feature a warm white Edison bulb that creates a welcoming glow in your garden. The weatherproof design means they can take on rain and snow without a problem. Plus, the replaceable bulbs add to their longevity, making them a cost-effective choice. However, some users reported that the assembly can be a bit tricky, but I think that's a small price to pay for such stylish and functional lighting. This is perfect for you if you want tall, decorative lights that enhance your outdoor space. Skip this if you prefer lower-profile lights. They're a good investment for any garden. Product number 5: Dynamic Solar Flame Post Lights. Finally, we have the Dynamic Solar Flame Post Lights, available for $26.97. This 2-pack offers a unique flickering flame effect that's perfect if you want a cozy, warm vibe in your outdoor area. Each light features 12 warm white SMD LEDs that mimic the appearance of a real flame, creating a stunning visual effect. Easy to install on standard wooden posts, these lights can create a beautiful ambience in your yard or garden. But some customers mention that the installation instructions could be clearer. Despite that, if you take your time, you should be able to set them up without too much hassle. This is perfect for you if you want decorative lighting that adds a touch of warmth to your space. Skip this if you need bright security lighting. They're a charming and affordable option. So there you have it, 5 great options for solar lamppost lights. From the charming flicker of the dynamic lights to the sleek styles of Greluna, there's something for everyone. Just remember to consider your specific needs, whether it's ambience, brightness, or style. Happy shopping!